So we're here at the Oasis beach in Coco Cay. And there's Ray and Ryder somewhere. I think there they are. And this is it. It's pretty awesome. I'll do a tour in a second. So here is the zero entry. And back there you'll see, well, there's the hot air balloon or whatever it's called. It hasn't gone up yet today. And then this is the pool. Really nice. Zero entry. The floor is cushiony. It's got like a spring to it, which is a lot of fun. And beautiful day here. Life jackets. And then back there you'll see one of the many futons. And then back there is where all the slides are. So that's the thrill park over there. And we'll turn back around here and you'll see the bungalows that we couldn't afford but are really nice. And you can see them back there. I'll try and get another picture. But so far we are just absolutely loving Coco Cay. So there's the beach. I'm on a little bit on the other side and I wanted to get a better view of the cabanas. So there's the restrooms, there's the balloon. Those are the private cabanas you can rent. So I think if we ever come back and if we ever come with a large group, I think we would totally look into getting a cabana because that just looks really, really nice. So, and then the bar, the swim up pool bar is over there in the distance. And then there's some loungers over there. And no shortage of lifeguards. So it really is a perfect day at Coco Cay. Now we're at Splashaway Bay Park. And my little one's down there playing with the sand. We're about to go on some slides. The great thing about this, it's great for toddlers because the height restriction for these slides is only 36 inches, and I'm just making sure he's not getting into trouble. So only 36 inches. The slides, the smallest slides on the ship are 42 inches, which my son was not tall enough for, so that didn't go well. But he's tall enough for these, and he loves it. Here's the entry into Splashaway Bay. There's 3 slides. And my son's favorite is the one he calls In the Dark because it's a tunnel. But these are the 3 slides, all 36 inches. And then that's the water park over there, splash pad. My son doesn't seem to be too interested in it. He just loves these slides right here. And then the pool right there is 2 feet. And it's just for them to land. No one's allowed to play in there. Hey, there's Ryder! Here's a better look of Splashaway Bay. My husband and son go on the slide. There's a slide. And there's another, I guess, port you could say right there.
Yeah, we have 900.
Ship in the background. This is pretty close to the entrance. You'll see right there, there's a little splash pad with a pirate ship. More of a playground area. It's not really wet. It's a little wet, but not really. And this splash pad is really fun. But my son is all about the slides, and we're going to let him do it many times since he can't do the ones on the ship. But all in all, we're loving Coco Cay. It's been great. The slides have been great, and the weather's been beautiful. There's the zip line up there, and there's the thrill park. So all of this is pretty close to the front. We didn't really go further. We didn't go past Oasis Beach, but really there wasn't a need for us to. So we just kind of stayed toward the front. It's been great. down. Another little splash pad. Some pretty steep slides, but they kind of go slow. It's got some water on it, but they're not really water slides. We were on it for a few minutes and it kind of got boring. Ship's right there. And there's the thrill park. And this is pretty much the entrance. So we're leaving Coco Cay now, headed back to the ship. Really was a perfect day. So, peace out.